Emergency judgment for Nnamdi Kanu as he appeared in court today. Record a big win. Yes, the IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu, as I told you earlier today, appeared in court today, and finally, this is the verdict that was put on ground. It's actually an emergency hearing called for by Justice Liman himself, considering the health wise of the IPOP leader and the reason why there is need for him to be given that immediate attention. My dear listeners, I greet everybody out there with listen to me through this very channel. You are all welcome to the Lord TV. Yes, so no be small thing. The IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu is waking up. Now, on the content, my dear listeners, it was revealed that Justice Liman, in a short ruling, has made the order transferring the case file back to the CJ, the Chief Justice, following an application by Kanu's counsel, Uchenna Njoku himself, son. Okay. Now, considering the fact that the annual vacation of the court of the court would be ending today. Understand? Now, it was also revealed that that the Department of the State Services DSS lawyer Chief Adegboyega Agumolo San did not oppose Uchenna's application. Now, earlier upon resumed hearing in the case, the judge hinted that there was no time anymore for the vacation court to decide Kanu's motion. Now, earlier upon resuming hearing in the case, the judge hinted that there was no time anymore for the vacation court to decide Kanu's motion. He said no fewer than 30 cases were listed for the day's proceedings by the registrar, and since the court will be unable to take all, the cases were pruned down to 6. Now, the judge said, in line with section 46 of 8 of the FHC rules, any case that could not be completed within the vacation period would have to be sent back to the Chief Justice for reassignment. This I also reminded the people about. He said that although Kanu's motion was an urgent one in view of health grounds, it had been filed late. Imagine. See? Saying that the case has been filed late. Okay. Now, responding, Awomolo said that in case management, the court had the overriding decision on which case to hear and which not to hear. Your Lordship cannot perform any magic, he said. Njoku said their application, dated 1st September, was filed on the same date. I have been served a few minutes ago with a counter affidavit of the complainant. Respondent DSS, my lord, I haven't read it, the Lord said. He then sought the leave of court to confer Chief Awomolo. See, these people are trying to play politics with the life of the IPOP leader. They are trying to play politics with his life. And I won't lie to you, it is not welcome in any way. Having conferred with the Lord counsel for the complainant or respondent, and in the light of the remarks my Lord made this morning, which are sensible and clearly persuasive to the bar, and given that the vacation ends today, and in order not to impose a date on your land, on your learned brother, before whom the substantive case is pending, we will be asking for an adjournment, Njoku said. you will see that these people are trying to play politics with the life of the IPOP leader. This is a case that was filed. Even if there is there is no much time, at least out of those 6 cases that they're claiming that they want to pay attention to, in Nigeria as we speak, which case is more significant to pay attention to, if not Nnamdi Kanu's case? Let me tell you, forget those cases they are claiming that they want to pay attention to. If today Nnamdi Kanu drop dead, I am telling you, both that case they want to pay attention to and Nigeria itself will divide by force division. I'm telling you. So I don't care and I don't know. I don't want to know. Nnamdi Kanu's case supposed to pay attention to. No, for the fact that their so-called vacation has ended today. Nobody's supposed to even tell them. It is them that will say, guy, this guy needs to be paid attention to. It's important. And considering the health wise of the IPOP leader, look at the health wise, look at the level of his health. We are talking about Nnamdi Kanu developing a kidney issue and his pancreas has been affected. These people, they need to be sensitized. They don't have human sympathy and human feelings. And this is why it is important that the international community step into this matter. Because if we continue keeping mute, I am telling you, I know what I'm saying, there will be a problem. A very big one. So, my dear people, my friends, my well-wishers, this is a warning, most especially to those people in that very court. They need to know the importance and the significance of paying attention and not even thinking of adjourning, but allowing the IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu to go for his medical transfer. And if we are talking about medical transfer, not an ordinary hospital, since they won't want him to go out of the country. You understand? And it should be well monitored and given the best, because nothing must happen to him. Imagine. See when these people decide to exile Nnamdi Kanu. Well, God did. He will not die. He will not die. So this is the conclusion, my dear listeners, of today's hearing. The hearing held. It was an emergency one, but as it is, an adjournment is considered, which I personally does not accept. I wish they give an agreement and allow the IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu to go for his medical treatment, medical transfer. And that's what I think. I don't know about you. People already have started talking from the comment section. You give it a critical look. People are already lamenting on this very decision. This is coming from Talking Drum. Talking Drum said, God please heal Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's it. And I said, let nothing happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You see? Fred Chukuma said, this case will not end in peace. IPOP should be preparing themselves against Nigerian government because of anything. In case anything happens to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria will never be the same again. I told you people, 1960 to 1967 war will be a child's play. When I tell a joke I did, these people are just playing with Nnamdi Kanu's life. They don't know what they are doing at all. They don't know what they are really doing. Someone which presence has attracted the world president, that the world president have to intervene and speak. Just make I not talk too much. When I not saying at the Lord TV talk this one. I'm telling you, you see this country, if you not divide, it will remain small. Let me tell you, this country will need to divide into 3 and let everybody go its own way. And that's what I think. Let me hear from you, my dear listeners. Please share this video, let it go viral. This is the emergency hearing that I held today by the federal government of Nigeria. Yes, in the Federal High Court. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also send messages. Thank you.